Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to brow routine as of late. I shuffle between two products. I typically either use my Gatsby glue or I use my Grande brow laminate brow gel. I mean, obviously you guys can see how good my brows look, so let's get into it. Show you guys how I take my eyebrows from this to this. I literally always get compliments on my brows. This is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Brow Laminate Brow Gel. Here is the consistency of it. You'll also get this dual-sided brush that comes with it. It comes with a spoolie side, which is how you apply the brow product, and then it also comes with a brush side, and you can fill in your eyebrows with it, whatever you need to do. I like to take a nice glob. Do you see that? I just apply it to my brow and I make sure to run that baby through all over my brows. And once I feel like I have it through all my brows, I then start to brush them upwards. And once you look like a crazy person, you know you're doing something right. And I take my little fan and I like to make sure you close your eyes during this part because you can get dry eye if you keep your eyes open. I turn my fan on like the second or third setting and I just try and dry my brows down as much as possible. This brow gel, I will say, it doesn't dry down very fast, so using a fan during this portion really helps. And once they don't look as shiny anymore, that's when you know you can stop fanning them. Once they're a little bit more on the tacky side, I do like to go in and just lightly press them down and make sure that they are kind of sticking to my face so that they can stay down once they fully dry. You can take any type of spoolie to do this portion. However, I like to take a pintail comb and I literally only use this for my brows because I like the precision of it. And I'll take it, and all those sparse hairs, we're just going to slick them down. Like, are you kidding? Before we go in and finish anything else, I want to make sure that I clean up around my brows. You will have some product around there, and if you don't clean it up, it's going to mess up your foundation or whatever you lay down on top of it, and it's going to start peeling, or peeling, whichever word it is. I always take a Q-tip and I take some makeup remover, just clean up around my brows. Side tip, when your brows are done and in the shape that you want them in, this is the perfect time to go in and clean up any hairs that you don't want around your brows. This is what I always do, and this helps keep my eyebrows in the shape that I like them. So now I'm just going with my Haus Labs concealer to carve out my eyebrows. This is going to help make your eyebrows stand out a little bit more so that they don't look flat and like to your face. It's going to give them some dimension, not to pop out too much, but just to kind of shape them up a little bit more. And this also helps you during your fill-in portion if that's what you choose to do as well. Or even if you don't, it's still good. So I just follow the line underneath of the natural shape of my brows just to kind of define them a little bit more. I love using an eyeshadow to fill in my brows sometimes, so I go in with the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. And then I will take a nice edged brush. We'll just lightly dip in there, get off any excess. And you start with the most product at the end of your brows so that you don't overpower the front. And I just lightly stroke this through. And whatever product is left on the brush, I like to just bring it to the front of my brows and lightly stroke this through. To me, that looks good. It still is my natural brow. I just added a little bit more pigment. It really just depends on my mood whenever I'm choosing which product to use, but I definitely love, love, love the Grande Brow product, and it does last you all day. It's perfect for really any occasion, and I also love how natural it makes your brows look as well. So you will see a quick nail change because I just got my nails done. I had like a little intermission, went and got my nails done, and I'm back to finish this video. You guys have thin, stubborn eyebrows like I do, I promise you'll love this formula. Once it dries down, it really stays there. And like I said, it just gives more of like a natural effect. And to me, I kind of like that sometimes. That is my eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.